Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how you can merge cells in LibreOffice Writer. So let's get straight into it. So you imported a table into your uh, writer. Now you want to merge some cells, for example. So how to do that? It's pretty straightforward. So you select the cells, like you click on one cell and then just with left button on your mouse, just hover over to the other cells. So like that. And then right click on the mouse and you will see here merge cells. This is the same story if you go right here to table at the top right bar. Click on it and you will see merge cells. These do the same thing as the right click on the mouse. Now, as you can see, we merge three cells right here. Uh, the cells need to be together, so we can't merge this cell here and this one right here, but we can do it this one like so. Then you can adjust a little bit how you like, or is something weird. You will make how you want it. So this is basically just how we can merge the cells right here. So this is everything that you need to know. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.